They have already been called the monsters of the cosmos, regions so dense that not even light can escape. For decades, it was believed that black holes were unknowable, with their interiors forever hidden behind an invisible boundary. However, the James Webb Space Telescope achieved the unthinkable. It observed these regions as never before, capturing data that may reveal what truly exists inside a black hole. What was discovered challenges everything that was thought to be known and may transform the future of physics. When hearing the term black hole, many imagine a bottomless pit. The reality, however, is that of a layered structure, each layer stranger than the previous one. The first is the event horizon, the outer limit and the cosmic point of no return. Nothing, not even light, can escape after crossing it. It is not a physical wall, and upon crossing it, there would be no immediate sensation. Nevertheless, for an external observer, time appears to freeze at this boundary. As astrophysicist Kip Thorne stated, the event horizon is not a surface in space, but a place in time. Immediately afterward lies the accretion disk, a rotating storm of gas and dust that heats to millions of degrees and emits intense X-ray radiation. This is how black holes are detected. The glow of matter is observed just before it disappears. There is also the photon sphere, a region where gravity is so intense that light becomes trapped in orbit, continuously circling and distorting. At the center of everything lies the singularity, where gravity becomes infinite and space-time collapses. It is unknown whether it is truly a point of infinite density or something different, such as an extremely compact core predicted by quantum theories. The fact is that no information escapes from this region. This complex structure turns black holes into detailed phenomena, not merely abstract mysteries. To understand them, however, it is necessary to understand their origin. Black holes are the final stages of massive stars. When a star with a mass far greater than that of the Sun exhausts its fuel, internal pressure can no longer balance gravity. The core collapses within seconds, potentially generating a supernova as bright as an entire galaxy. The remnant is a stellar mass black hole. However, not all black holes formed from stars. In the primordial universe, enormous hydrogen clouds containing hundreds of thousands of times the mass of the Sun collapsed directly under their own gravity, giving rise to so-called direct collapse black holes. They may have been the seeds of the supermassive black holes found at the centers of galaxies. Fed by gas flows channeled through the cosmic web, they grew rapidly. Observations show that less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang, black holes with billions of solar masses already existed, an astonishingly rapid growth. Black holes do not actively hunt, but they destroy anything that comes too close. One of the most violent events is tidal disruption, when a star is stretched and torn apart by the difference in gravity across its sides, a process known as spaghettification. Part of the matter falls into the black hole, while the remainder is expelled in a luminous explosion. Planets can also be captured, although the probability is extremely low. In dense stellar clusters, small black holes can trap wandering worlds, which then begin to orbit an invisible master. There are also binary systems in which a black hole steals matter from a companion star, emitting intense X-rays. The first black hole ever identified, Cygnus X1, belongs to this type of system. Despite popular imagination, black holes do not swallow entire galaxies. Even the largest ones account for less than 1/100th of their galaxy's mass. Rather than destroying them, they influence their evolution, regulating star formation and shaping galactic structures. During galaxy collisions, their central black holes can merge, releasing gravitational waves that have already been detected by modern observatories. When feeding, black holes release enormous amounts of energy in the form of jets and winds that prevent the surrounding gas from cooling, acting as a galactic thermostat. This process, known as active galactic nucleus feedback, shows that they sculpt rather than consume their galaxies. Moreover, not all approaching matter is absorbed. Some of it is hurled out at nearly the speed of light, forming jets that extend for thousands of light years. For a long time, the interior of a black hole was considered inaccessible. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope revealed the first image of the shadow of a black hole in the galaxy Messier 87, located about 55 million light-years away. The James Webb Space Telescope expanded this knowledge by analyzing, in the infrared, the behavior of gas and dust near the event horizon. Simulations based on general relativity and techniques such as X-ray reverberation mapping allow scientists to reconstruct the innermost region of the accretion disk and estimate the rotation of these extreme objects. At the center lies the singularity, where the known laws of physics cease to function. Some theories suggest that it does not exist as an infinite point, but as an extremely compact object supported by quantum effects, such as the so-called Planck star. The information paradox also arises. If nothing escapes, where does the information of the absorbed matter go? Proposed solutions include the gradual release of this information through Hawking radiation or the existence of holographic boundaries. Over trillions of years, black holes may evaporate completely, leaving open the question of what remains after this process. Recent events have shown that black holes can store matter and eject it years later, launching jets at speeds close to half the speed of light. Although the likelihood of such jets striking Earth is minimal, the idea is unsettling. It is also theoretically possible that a wandering black hole could pass through a planetary system and disrupt orbits, although this would be extremely rare. More than threats, however, black holes are natural laboratories of fundamental physics. Each stellar disruption, each merger, and each X-ray emission brings science closer to a deep understanding of gravity, time, and matter. Once mere theories, they now reveal some of the deepest secrets of the universe. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope and new technologies, we are closer than ever to understanding the cosmic abyss. In this way, the study of black holes ceases to be merely an investigation of extreme objects and becomes a key to understanding the very fabric of reality. By exploring their limits, science reveals not only how the universe works, but also how far human knowledge can advance, transforming mystery into discovery and curiosity into profound understanding. Thank you for watching. While you are here, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on one of the recommended videos on the screen for more incredible information. See you there.